Hello, welcome to Erudite Busy Brain Concepts. Welcome to our English class. We are still on the exposition of speech work. We've started the class and we'll discuss the short R sound, which is this sound. This is the short R sound. And then we talk about certain English word where this particular sound featured in. And then today we want to look at the long version. We talk about that we have short R and then long R sound. So the difference between the short R sound and the long R sound is the dot that is accompanied with this. So this is short version. This is long version of the vowel sound. So by sounding this ah, why this is ah ah ah, so that is difference. There are certain English words where this sound also feature. For example, we have the word Sam. So the A here is long A. Therefore, not all English word where we have short A or where we have letter A alone standing in that word that is actually short A. There are a lot of English word where letter A is feature outside AR, where letter A is featured, and that sound or the sound of that letter A there is long A. Please do not get it mixed up. Not all English word where we have letter A in the word that is short A. There are certain English word where we have just A and it is what? Long A. Another example is pass. Look at the so this is long A. The A here is what? Long A. Then we also have English word that has AU. The AU here is long A. Laugh. Laugh. So this is long A. Why this is Sam? The P is silent. So take note of that. Then Sam. That's the dot is here. Sorry. The dot is there. Sam. So then AR. Park. Park is different from this. This is short A. This is long A. Is that okay? So take note of that as well. Then we also have ant. The AU here is long A, not short. Long A. Then the A here is long A, can't. But the A here is short. Because of this T, that is the movement that occurs towards in English when a letter either in preface or suffix is added to a base word. Three major things happens to that word: the meaning, the pronunciation, and then the class of that word. Three major things happens to a word when something happened, when there's an addition letter or words to the base word. So take note of that. So these are some of the examples of English words where we have the long R sound. So thank you and God bless you. Do well to subscribe for more of our video. We are here to give you the best. Bye.